Hello guys! Informative blocks here. This is the third tutorial of the Modern Splash Screen series. In this video, we are going to create a main window app that opens after the splash screen. After that, we're going to run the splash screen from the back-end side. So, let's start. After creating the splash screen window, click on the New button which is on the top left side of the Qt Designer. Then, select the main window, and click on the Create button. After that, drag two labels to the main window. Now, right-click on the main window, go to Layout, and then click on the layout vertically. Select the first label, then go to the Property Editor, and change the horizontal alignment to Align H-Center. Do the same with the second label. Next, change the value of the first label to the Hello World, and rename it as Label 1 in the Object Inspector. Now, go to the Property Editor, change the font and size of the font of Label 1, and do the same with Label 2. Now, click on the Save button on the top left side of the Qt Designer, and save it as the main window. Now, our both window is ready. Go to the PyCharm and open the created project. Here, I already created a project named Splash Screen with Qt. As you can see that both the splash screen and main window UI file are stored there. Now, we are going to save the Python code of the created UI. First, go to the Qt Designer and click on the Form menu at the top of the Qt Designer, then click on the View Python code. After that, the Qt Designer automatically generates the Python code of the created UI window. Then, click on the Save button, and save it as UI underscore the main window. Now, select the splash screen window, again click on the Form button, and click on the View Python code. After that, click on the Save button and save it as UI underscore splash screen. Next, go to the PyCharm. Open the UI underscore splash screen file, and rename the class as UI underscore splash screen. After that, create a new Python file called the main.py. Write the following code to import the PySide2 module. Next, create a class named SplashScreen with the object main window. Then create an init constructor in it, and inherit all properties of main window into the SplashScreen class by calling the main window to init function. Now, import the UI_SplashScreen module in the main file, and create a SplashScreen object named self.ui. Next, call the setup_UI function of the splash screen. The setup_UI function is responsible for initializing all the instances and methods of the class. After that, we will instantiate the class as shown in the video. Write the following code, which is responsible for executing and closing our application correctly. Now, right-click and select Run main.py to execute the following code. As you can see, our application is executed correctly, but it does not look like the splash screen. Let's remove the title bar of the window by using the setWindowFlag method, and passing the frameless window hint flag as a parameter. In the next step, set the transparent background attribute to make a transparent background for the window. Now, right-click and select the Run button to run the main.py. As you can see that our splash screen window is executed successfully, and here is our third tutorial on the modern splash screen is completed. In the next video, we will add the logo animation to our splash screen. Leave your like and subscribe to Informative Blocks to not miss any videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.